Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. National Water Commission NWC customers should expect an increase in their water bills come next year. This follows a decision by the Office of Utilities Regulations OUR to approve an overall increase of about 4% in water rates. On average, customers paying water rates will see an overall increase of between 15.5 and 17.8%. The new rates will be reflected in customers' bills starting January 2020. The OUR says this is an interim tariff for 24 months as the NWC did not supply all the information requested, including a cost of service study and an asset valuation report needed for a full tariff assessment. The OUR, in its assessment of the NWC's tariff application, found weaknesses and major data gaps in the submission. Consequently, it has concluded that it would not be prudent to establish the normal 5-year tariff. The NWC will be expected to formally apply for a full tariff review 20 months after the effective date of this termination notice. Now, that date is by August 2021. 48 local entrepreneurs are being given an opportunity to find new markets overseas. The entrepreneurs have been selected to participate in Export Max 3. Now, Export Max is a program that helps to create export linkages between local producers and the foreign markets. Here's TVJ's Andrew Lately.
The Jamaica Promotions Corporation, JAMPRO, is working to get more Jamaican products into overseas markets. As part of that strategy, the agency is pulling selected producers together and equipping them with the tools to make them export-ready. But President of the Jamaica Manufacturers and Exporters Association, JMEA, Richard Pandoe, says the producers will have to go outside of the box to remain competitive on the international scene.
Trade is economic war, and we in Jamaica are currently on the battlefield with slingshot, obeying every rule, while others are walking with machine guns and dictating the creation of level playing fields that are seemingly designed to make economies like ours uncompetitive. We'll have to compete on creating high value added, targeting niche markets, as we will not be able to compete as low-cost producers.
Under the first Export Max, participating companies were able to increase their export sales by 31%. Export Max 2 saw companies increasing their exports by 217%. JAMPRO's president Diane Edwards says she expects that trend to continue. But on this occasion, she's hoping that much of the success will come from the creative industries.
A lot of our creative companies don't want to be formal enough to get involved with these kinds of programs. So I think for us, it's a really important milestone that they have come on board this time. And we hope that this will show other creative companies that they can get on board with us as well.
She says the partners are looking at ways to expand the program so that they can accept more small producers.
We had over 250 companies that applied, and we just didn't have the resources to help them all. But this is a program that we feel has real legs, has real track record, and that we think can really make a difference if we can expand its scale.
For the first time, the Export Max program will help to find export markets for a medical ganja company. The company selected was Medicanja. Andrew Ladley, TVJ News.
Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $134.42. The Canadian dollar sold for $102.66. The pound closed at $176.05, while the euro is going for $149.06. The JC main index declined by 7,743 points today, while the junior market index gained 1 point. Among the winners were Siboney Group, Access Financial Services, General Accident Insurance Company, 138 Student Living, and Lasco Financial Services. On the losing side were Stanley Motor, Consolidated Bakeries, Mayberry, Jamaican Equities, Mailpack, and Lasco Distributors. And that's the Business Day. I'm Vashan Brown. Good evening.